How to create a brochure in Canva. So first is you want to search for a template, of course. Just type in brochure here. So for example, you have a brochure about food. I mean, your business is about food. So let's say you want to create a brochure for food. So just click on this one, food brochures. Then if you want to create a blank food brochure, you can do that. Just click here. But as for me, let's just say I want to create a brochure from a template. Okay, so it won't take me too long just to get an idea. Okay, so for that, just look for one of the templates here, then just click on one that you like. So for example, I like this one, so just click on it. Okay, now just click on customize this template, and after that, just customize it. So for example, instead of chicken here, delete image. So let's say I want to add roasted meat. No. Pork meat. Okay. Now look for a photo, or you can add your own photo here. You just upload it to Canva. So for example, this one, want to add it here. So you can see now it's here. So say you don't like that, let's just delete it and just add this one. So you can see now it's added here. Instead of a chicken, now we have a pork. So if you want to edit this once here, you can do the same and just edit a text here. Get one, buy one, get one. So let's say this guy said, I mean, the text here says that buy two, get one. So let's say I want to, okay, buy two, get two. Let's say I want it to be buy two, get two. Just edit it just like that, and you can edit your contacts here as well, and your about us here. And after that, just download it, and that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.